Hey travellers, how's it going? Travel Dave, UK here, and I'm currently in Belfast. So I've travelled over to Ireland to Dublin, and if you're in Dublin and you fancy a day trip, why not check out Wild Rover Tours? They offer a whole range of day trips to explore the whole of Ireland and Belfast, and I've decided to do their Belfast trip. So here I am in Belfast, so what are we waiting for? Let's explore Belfast. Wild Rover Tours offer a whole host of day trips departing from Dublin. Today I'll be doing the Belfast City Tour. That includes a stop at the Giants Causeway, Belfast City and Dunluce Castle. There's also an option to choose between the Black Taxi Tour of Belfast or the Titanic Experience. There's also another option to do a walking tour of Belfast if you wish. The options are yours, but today I'll be doing the Black Taxi Tour of Belfast. Let's go to Dunluce Castle. We've arrived at our first stop here on our Belfast day trip, and we've come to the Dunluce Castle. Check that out. Beautiful little spot for some coastal views, lots of history here. So let's go and explore Dunluce Castle. Just made it to the Giants Causeway. Look at this. This is an iconic location. So the big question is this created by volcanic activity, or was it constructed by a giant? I'll leave that to you to decide.